This is Lyle's 1970 C10, and let me get out of the sunlight there. It's in the evening, and took the cap off the rotor, and we started up once, and we know that the rotor doesn't spin when you turn the motor over. Okay. So now we're looking at the valve train. Go ahead. None of them moved. So what we were looking for is to make sure, or to determine if it's a chain or gear or a camshaft issue. Because if the camshaft was broke somewhere in the middle, we might expect some valves to work and some not to, but none of them did. So that's telling us it's probably a timing chain or gear issue. So that's why it laid down in Gatesville. It was not a distributor all along after we worked so hard on it. So, but it sure did act like it and mimic it. So it is a timing chain or gear issue. So there we go. Now you know. Hey, good morning everyone. Welcome to Turner Truck and Tractor. I'm still Les, and it's a beautiful day. And Brother Lyle should be here, but I went ahead and got a start on his 70 C10. And late yesterday evening, just for fun, I started taking things apart, and it went so well. I got it stripped down to the timing cover, or to the harmonic balancer actually, in the timing cover. So this morning I took the harmonic balancer off and the timing cover, and I have found the problem. That's why we're out of time and nothing works around here. So I'm going to leave it like that, surprise him. He was supposed to be over here an hour ago, and we were going to start on it. So I'm already halfway there to the solution. So I think he'll be pleasantly surprised. So I'm going to go in, clean up, and wait on him, and then show him where we're at in this process. All right, Lyle, what do you think?
Wore out.
You or it?
Yes.
All of the above? Whoop.
Magnet works.
Yeah, it does.
Sorry for the rough ride there, fellas.
Yeah, yeah. The viewers took a ride, didn't they? That's why it wouldn't work. We were going to fix that on the side of the road with the new distributor, were we?